Are you a Lazada seller and you're wondering about the cash on delivery in Lazada? Okay, today we're going to discuss this part. There's two parts. Okay, one is like how exactly it works and all those. And part two, how are you going to get more sales or even close up Lazada COD? Is it possible at this moment? Okay, there are some tricks I'm going to teach you. Okay, come, let's go to the video. So before I proceed about COD, come let me introduce myself. I am Kong, your e-commerce Sifu, okay, your e-commerce specialist that I've helped thousands of my students in Malaysia and also in Singapore to grow their online sales, especially in Lazada and Shopee. So I have training sessions and I also physical trainings as well as personal business mentoring for those of you who want to grow big in Lazada and Shopee. So if you want all these kind of trainings, click the link below to contact me. Come, let us proceed to cash on delivery. Okay, let's understand how the COD or cash on delivery works first in Lazada. Okay, so right now in default, right, most customers and also you as seller need to fulfill all the COD orders. Okay, there's no way to close it first. So once somebody orders in the COD, okay, because they don't want to pay online or they don't have credit card, they're not comfortable with that. So how it works? Come, let's go into it. So one person, the customer, click on your product, okay, and as default right now, all sellers will have it. Okay, you can't turn it off, but there's a tricks I'll show you later in the end of the video. And then they'll click the COD payment method, and once they click that, okay, you need to fulfill the order. Do not skip. Okay, and then you pack everything and then you pass to the courier and then you go to the house and ask the customer to pay. Okay, so once the customer pay, whether to do it now or QR pay or cash, okay, immediately it's termed as delivered. Once it's delivered, you will get your money the following week. Okay, and then customer of course happy lah. Okay, you also get the money, of course you also happy. Okay, and then it will actually is a very convenient way lah. Okay, what about part two? Okay, part two is a lot of sellers have been complaining that the address have the Lazada allow us the COD order to go through without the full complete address, and then we have to pack it, and then when the courier goes to the house, they cannot find the person and then ends up getting returns. So there's actually a lot of returns and a lot of sellers actually complaining that COD is actually wasting their packaging money and time. Okay, and there are some cases also competitors have been buying from the competitor store, make sure the seller does not have stock. Okay, so there are many things that actually irritate sellers that are they're complaining and actually petitioning Lazada to actually close up the COD option. Okay, but as of this video, there is no such thing that Lazada sellers can close up the COD option at this moment. Okay, there's no way, but okay, this is the trick I'm going to teach you. If you have proof that the COD or cash on delivery return rate is extremely high, I'm not sure the actual percentage, perhaps more than 30%, you can collect all the proof and contact Lazada partner support to request them to close the COD for your store alone. So there are actually cases of sellers with sufficient enough proof that have gotten their COD closed from their seller center. So means only legitimate buyers actually buying from the store. So if you do not have proof, sorry, but if you have proof, you can try a look. So this is right this moment, but COD actually have brought in a lot of sales from my store too. But of course, I get these irritated returns and all those. So do you want more sales or do you want less returns or whatever? It's up to you. You make your own decision and then you just see how you want to deal with it. Okay, so remember my trick. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can actually put in the comments below, and you can always click at the description box below to contact me for special training for Lazada and Shopee to make your sales skyrocket eye in the sky. Okay, so that's it for me now. Thank you and bye bye.